So one of the most common questions that I get asked a lot is, how much should I invest in Bitcoin? And honestly, that's a very personal question, and everybody will not get the same answer. And some of the few questions you gotta ask yourself is, what is your risk tolerance? Like how much are you willing to risk? Because like everything else, when you invest in something, there's always a chance of it going to zero and you lose all your money. That's how it works with stocks. That's how it works with commodities. That's how it works with bonds, everything. There's always a chance of you losing all your money. That's just the name of the game. Without risk, there is no reward. So with Bitcoin, even more so because it's so volatile. People, if you can't stomach a little drop, like a little 30% drop, then you're not going to be around for the 200, 300, 500, 1,000% gains. That's just how it is. With risk come reward, and Bitcoin offer the most reward also for the most risk. So you got to ask yourself, what is your risk tolerance? That's one. And two, what is your time frame horizon? Like how long are you planning to keep your investment in there? Are you willing to just put that money in there and not touch it for the next 5 years? Because if that's the case, then the answer is going to be different and you can probably invest a little bit more. But if that money, you know that you're going to need it by next year, or because you have this thing coming up, then you might need to invest a little bit less because you can't handle the volatility long term. So that's the second question. And the last question you need to ask yourself is, why are you investing in Bitcoin? Do you understand what it is? Do you know why it is supposed to be what people claim it is? Do you have a solid foundation? Do you have a strong understanding of what it is that you're investing in? Because you don't want to just throw your money into something just because you know that you think that you're going to make money off it. You don't want to do that just because somebody told you, oh, the price is going up, and then you want to FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So you want to jump in. That's never a good idea for investing, because if you don't have that faith and that conviction and belief in what you're putting your money into, you would sell at the very first panic drop, like at the first retracement, the first pullback. You would sell. I know it because I've been there. And so in order for you to produce the maximum returns from your Bitcoin or any other investment, you need to know what it is you're investing in, and you need to have a strong, solid foundation, and you have to understand it, and you have to have conviction behind it. Remember, investments don't make you money. Patience and conviction does. So just ask yourself those 3 questions and you should be good.